Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix this person is unavailable on Messenger issue. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So when you open someone's chat and the first thing you see is this person is unavailable on Messenger, it could mean one of three things. It may mean that this person has blocked you. It could also mean that this person has deleted their account or that this person has deactivated their account. However, if you're sure that it's none of these three, then here's how to fix this issue. So the first thing you're going to do is go back, long press on the Messenger application, tap on App Info, force stop this application, and tap on OK to confirm that you want to force stop. Now go ahead to the storage section under App Info, tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear Cache. Confirm that you want to clear cache by tapping on OK. Once you've done that, go ahead and check if this problem still resides. However, if it is still not solved, then the only thing you can do is contact Messenger support. For that, go ahead and screenshot the chat on which you're getting this message. Go back to your home screen on Messenger, tap on the three-barred menu that appears on the top left corner of your screen, tap on the gear icon, scroll down and you'll be able to see Report Technical Problem. Go ahead and tap on it. Tap on Report a Problem, tap on Include. Once you've done that, a screenshot will be default uploaded to this page. Go ahead and tap on the cross mark because this screenshot has nothing to do with your issue. Now tap on Camera Roll. On the camera roll, select the screenshot that you've just taken of the window where you're getting this error message. Once you've done that, go ahead and explain the problem, that you're unable to message someone on Messenger because you get this error message that reads this person is unavailable on Messenger even though this person hasn't blocked you and this person hasn't deactivated or deleted their account. Once you've explained all that, go ahead and tap on the send button that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Once you've done that, Messenger should get back to you within a certain amount of time to help you resolve this issue. Once you've done that, your issue should be fixed, and this is how you can fix the issue of this person is unavailable on Messenger. But for this to work, make sure that this person hasn't deleted or deactivated their account and hasn't blocked you on Messenger. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.